Your Honor, he's charged with 2 counts of aggravated robbery, failure to comply, and unlawful of a dangerous ordinance. He is demanding.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Jablonski. Mr. Terrell, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, you had an opportunity this morning to speak to Mr. Jablonski from the Public Defender's Office. He's indicating that you're demanding a public hearing. Is that true? Or, preliminary hearing. Is that true? Mr. Jablonski from the Public Defender's Office, you talked to him this morning, and he's indicating that you are demanding a preliminary hearing. Is that true? And you said no, correct? So you want to have the state have that hearing, correct? And that's his recommendation. That's his recommendation to you. Do you want to follow the recommendation of the public defender? Yes? Mr. Jablonski, did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Terrell?
Your Honor, I did, and just briefly, Judge Marshall Jablonski, public defender for the record. Your Honor, I did speak with Mr. Terrell about waiving or demanding that hearing. He indicated to me in our discussion he wanted to demand that hearing. That is my understanding this morning.
Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and demand the hearing. You can always talk to the public defender about that in the meantime, and if you want to waive it later, you can. So for now, we'll indicate a demand date to be...
The 9th, Your Honor.
All right, so on September 9th, if you're not indicted before then, that'll be the date of your preliminary hearing. Mr. Jablonski as to bond.
Your Honor, thank you. Mr. Terrell has absolutely no prior criminal record. He is, as the court can see, confined to a wheelchair. At this time, he has suffered several gunshot wounds. Your Honor, I'd ask the court to take all that into consideration. Thank you.
Mr. Torres?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state will ask for a $100,000 cash surety bond in this case. The defendant presents a high risk, a flight risk. In our case, the defendant allegedly was driving a Kia without visible license plate. Officers attempted to stop the vehicle. However, the defendant had other plans. He fled. At one point during the chase, and with the help of the helicopter, the officers saw the defendant flee the vehicle as well as the female passenger. Troubling is that the defendant allegedly attempted 2 armed carjacking during this foot chase. At one point after the shooting, the defendant was arrested and he had a firearm. That firearm had a switch to convert it into an automatic firearm. Again, we'll ask for a $100,000 cash surety.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give that $100,000 cash surety. I will mark the file medical, and we'll make sure, I'm sure you're on the medical floor already, but we'll make sure that's happening. Okay? Sir, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and mark that, and we're going to let the warden know to make sure you get your medical treatment, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Dantes Morgan.